Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today, we are going to give my bathroom a deep cleaning. We're going to clean areas I haven't cleaned in quite some time. So, yeah, we need to go ahead and get started with this because my bathroom is looking horrendous, you guys. It is looking horrendous. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's go ahead and get started. I have a question, you guys. What is your pet peeves when it comes down to your bathroom? Everybody has a pet peeve when it comes down to the bathroom, and mine is this guy right here. I cannot stand for my toilet to get extremely nasty and dirty and all that, all the other stuff. I know for some people, their pet peeves is they can't stand hair in the sink. Some people don't like the buildup that's at the bottom of the shower. People don't like to have rings in their tubs. So just tell me, when it comes down to your bathroom, what are your pet peeves? All right, you guys, I know I have said this before, but I'll say it again. Light fixtures such as these that are enclosed, you want to make sure that you really clean the outside and the inside of them because they collect a lot of dust. And you also want to make sure that when you wipe the inside, just wipe off the light bulb itself, because once you wipe off the light bulb, it'll allow the room to be brighter, because light bulbs, they collect dust too. So just keep that in mind, but just make sure you clean, these type of light fixtures off as often as you feel is necessary. That's what my bathroom is saying. She is so happy to get this deep cleaning today. You guys, look at her. She is refreshed. She is revitalized. We have done some cleaning to her, and I am so happy. So now we're going to go ahead and get ready for our new Decorate With Me video that'll be coming out soon. So you guys get prepared for that. I hope you enjoyed this deep cleaning video. I hope it motivated you to tackle some deep cleaning that you need to get done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.